Hi everyone, how are you all going? We had a lot of interest in the winning the dash cam. Got a lot of comments, so good luck to everyone. This is the website that's going to pick the winner. And what we will do here, you're about to see this live as to who wins. And ticking these boxes means no duplicates, so only one comment per entry. And this will tell us how many of you have entered the competition. 2, 3, 400, 500, lots of comments, 600, 616 comments. So 616 unique commenters, so that's, you've got a 1 in 616 chance. Let's see who's going to win. Go. Who's it going to be? Yeah, and there's our winner. Mike, you've won the camera. Well done. So shortly I will get in contact with you, Mike, and get your details so that I can send you the dash camera. In the unlikely event that I can't get hold of him in the next day or so and they don't get back to me, I'll do a redraw, but hopefully we can get hold of Mike. Thanks everyone for watching the videos and entering the draw. Obviously quite popular, a lot of people entering, a lot of people wanting dash cameras, so I'll do my best to do another draw soon to give another one away. Merry Christmas everyone, and keep watching. I've got videos stacked for the next few weeks, so Wednesdays and Sundays for the next few weeks. Lots of great content coming. Thanks, Merry Christmas, and congratulations to Mike.